Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Our project is an efficient authentication scheme for blockchain-based electronic health record. Now we are going to see the project abstract. The main objective of this project is securely store and maintain the patient record in the healthcare. Healthcare is a data-intensive domain where a large amount of data is created, disseminated, stored, and accessed daily. Blockchain technology is used to provide the healthcare data hosted within the cloud block that contain the medical data and the timestamp. The scheme is probably secure and has more efficient signing and verification algorithm than existing authentication scheme of blockchain-based EHRs. Cloud computing will connect different healthcare providers. It allows healthcare provider to access the patient details more securely from anywhere. It preserves data from attackers. The data is encrypted prior to outsourcing to the cloud. The healthcare provider have to decrypt the data prior to download. Finally, our model ensures the data security for accessing the patient record over the cloud. Now we are going to see the flow of the project. So in this there are two main things, one is healthcare provider and the cloud server. While the healthcare provider have the permission to load and download the files. Healthcare provider register and log in into the process and load the patient record. Before loading they have to encrypt the record, so they generate the key for encryption and then encrypt the record and send an upload request to the cloud. Then cloud will check the upload request of the healthcare provider. If the healthcare provider is valid provider means they give the permission to them, and after getting the permission from the cloud, the healthcare provider can create a block and build a blockchain and then upload the file into the cloud server. After completing the upload process, now we are going to download the process. So download patient record. So while downloading the patient record, if you are searching the record based on the patient name, so send download request to the cloud. The cloud check the download request. If the valid is means they send the key to download. Healthcare provider can receive the key from the cloud. Using the key they check if the key is correct or not. The key is correct means they use the key to decrypt the record and download the patient detail. Now we are going to see the running process of the project. So this is our project EHR blockchain. So in this project now we have to first we have to run the index.java page. So right click on it and click run file. Our main page. In this page please click this image. This is the main page of our, so in this you click healthcare provider, so you get the healthcare provider login. So in this, if you are on means you register, if you are old user means directly log in into the process. So now we have to register it. So first you have to subscribe using this. So click get secret key, we get the secret key. So please note down this login. So please click subscribe. Oh, now subscribe successfully. So after subscribing you click login, back to the login, and now you have to log and the secret key. So this is the secret key. After entering all the details you click go. So it's successful. So in this page, this is the healthcare provider page. In this page there are two main things. One is upload and download. First we have to upload the file. So you have to select the data set which we have to upload it. In the data set there are all the patient details available. There is 1000 records, so we have to view in the ordered way. Patient name, patient ID, address, age, reason and name of the disease, and final report. If the final report means if the treatment is going or cured. So then click next. So we have to generate the key before the encryption. After generating the key, we will encrypt the record. So you see, this is the encrypted record. So send request to the cloud for upload. So send request to the cloud. So the request sent to the cloud. So back to NetBeans and run the cloud.java. So run file. So now cloud, log in the cloud C caps. So cloud 123 password. So C caps. So enter into the cloud server. So now you have to see the upload request. So run health record. So verify it. Valid user. So grant permission. So back to the request page of the upload and check the request status. Permission granted. So go to the next page. Now create a build a blockchain. So the blocks created successfully. So view the blocks. This is the blocks. You click it. It goes to the block page. So then upload to the cloud server. After uploading, now we are going to download the server. So download patient record. So search. So I'm going to search using the name. So search result found. So next you request key to download. Request onto the cloud. Back to the cloud and view the download request. So verify the user. So then grant permission. Back to this page. So the cloud server received your request. So view request status, permission granted. So receive a key from the cloud. So secret key verification. The key is verified successfully. So then next go to the download page. So now we have to decrypt and download using the key. So this is the patient details. So then view downloads. So after back to the cloud and we have to monitor the patient record. This is the original record and this is the encrypted record. So this is the final output. So thank you for watching this video.